Hi, welcome to the Gigglepin Winch workshops. We're here today to talk about these 8274 top housings. Now, anyone who's used an 8274 in anger knows how good they are, but you also know that once you start putting bigger motors on there, putting more power through them, this center gear here can have problems. Now, we've been doing upgrade kits for this center gear for many years. We first started with bronze bush kits. Recently, we switched over to a bearing kit, and that works great. But what happens if this gear is already too far gone and you can't fix it with a simple bearing kit? Well, that's been a huge issue, but not now. Now we've got these chaps here. So this is our standard ratio top housing center gear. Look at that, isn't that lovely? Now, we used to produce these a few years ago, but I could never get the price point quite right. I've been working really hard on the design and we've got it sussed now. So these are absolutely cracking. We've also got this though, which is its bigger brother. This is the plus 15 version. So I don't even see there's a difference in sizes there. Now, the standard gear is available on its own, comes with the center pin, the bearings, all of the bits and pieces, and you can buy that singularly. But the plus 15, it comes as this gear with the pin, all the bits and pieces. Also comes with the pinion gear as well, because that needs to be different because obviously the teeth won't mesh. So that's really cool. The next thing that's really cool is the way that we fit them into the housing. Now, the old style kits, we used to have to put like a grub screw in here, drill the housing, and it was all a bit of a faff really. So we wanted to get away from that. And in our recent bearing kit, what we've actually done is change the design entirely. So our new pins actually have an M5 bolt in the end of it. Just that simple. Why didn't we think about this years ago? I don't know, but we have now. So if we look at this one here, we can see the new top housing gear that's fitted in here, smooth as you like, absolutely gorgeous. There's no marking on the outside of the casing, which I know some of you are really going to love. And then on the inside here, you can just see that M5 bolt that retains the center shaft in place. So lots of good news all around. So get down to the website www.gigglepinwinch.com, find out more about these 8274 top housing replacement gears and go and enjoy your winching. Catch you soon.